When the man again and taking a quamono, soon. I will video and joke and share with you people. I will just school it and key gente on this video because now this video will send a huge chill down your spine. Gente, and this Reverend Father wrote again. Also, between these two people, who is the real terrorist? When the ghost of truth rises, it will expose what many try so much hard to bury. Nnamdi Kanu is being paraded as a terrorist, while the real terrorist, the one burning villages, massacring Christians, kidnapping school children, and occupying farmland and sitting at peace table negotiating with the same government that claim to be fighting terrorism. How can a man who has never bombed a church, never slaughtered a community, never invaded a village, never kidnapped a child, be labeled a terrorist, while those who carry AK-47 openly in broad daylight are called bandits, headers, etc., etc.? Nigeria is the only country where the peaceful agitators is in prison, but the killers are granted amnesty. Who is the real terrorist? The man shouting for freedom, or the one shedding innocent blood while being protected by silenced political people and double standard minds? One day, the ghost of truth will not just come. It will scream, and on that day, Nigeria will realize that labeling someone a terrorist does not make them one, but protecting real terrorists makes a nation guilty. Here we hear Reverend Father there. And I'm adding very, 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 very happy. I'm very, very happy now. Our Reverend Fathers are now speaking up. They are beginning to speak up because I'm a mumbinti wilumbwa. See, when will these people rise up? When will they begin to rise up? Then he went further to say, Nigeria is in a state of emergency. Bandits kidnapped over 100 school children from St. Mary Secondary School, a Catholic boarding school in Niger State. Another kidnapped at Peter's Foundation College in Rukubi, Doma, Nasarawa State. Innocent children who simply went to school to learn, to dream, and to become useful to themselves and to their country. Yet in the darkness of the night, they were dragged away by bandits, stolen from their classroom, stolen from their families, stolen from the future they are building. And what is even more heartbreaking, the children kidnapped just few days ago are still not rescued. The parents still sleep on the floor, waiting. Their mothers still wail until their voice fail. Their fathers still stand helpless, staring at doors that they may never open again. If this tragedy happened in any same country, the president, the state governors, and the commanders of the security forces should have resigned instantly, not after a press release or after empty promises, not after condolence messages, but immediately. Because leadership that cannot protect children is leadership that has failed. But here in our beloved Nigeria, we have normalized disaster. We have learned to swallow pain until it tastes like water. We have trained ourselves to endure what could never be endured. We have accepted insecurity as a temporary problem to be solved, but as part of our national identity, as though kidnapping is a culture and mass burial is a tradition. How did a nation with such brilliant people, rich land, and strong faith become a country where children disappear and life goes on? How did we become a place where leaders speak more than they act, and when citizens mourn more than they live? A country like this, even how these things is that how our priests, and I salute to them that are speaking up. I salute them that are speaking up. Because now, a lot of them are not sit down, pretend their guys no what here amen. Sit down, pretend their guys no you Buddha maka. Everybody in Nigeria maka. things a na-emebi na-aba n'ime just like ihe anụnwa Pope kwu. Pope mepele ọnụ see how there is nothing like Christian genocide na Nigeria, that na Muslim and Christian na Igbo ha, mana ọkwa the same Pope bịa issue a press release si kpele Nigeria ekpele a day after Igbo over 200 Christians na Yelwata, Benue State. Then what now happened in between the line? You are the same person that raised the concern. See kpele Nigeria ekpele city ha na ekpele na over 200 people in one day. So obodo nwe mmadụ over 200 people obodo nwe over 200 people. Pope Kanjukeneg, is that not enough to be called a genocide? Is that incident not enough to be called a genocide? And somebody another somewhere need defend the alo, need defend the abnormality, need defend the nasa no nwere ihe na-eme. I can now watch a 45 minutes interview on your channel. 45 minutes interview. Our minister of Guinea wana moro me bona anombo ano yanka. Na say na since 2019 to today no sources church 7 ka agbagoloko. Obuka na won otukwa na agbalo hoku no say no they has been attacked. E we try okay estimate mmadụ one nwugo or say from 2007 2019 to today now to see him nwugo that they can give account of both Christian and Muslim. But 122 people. I was just shaking my head and say, how did we get here? Kede kaisu emigide we wele ndị hala ndị si na dị homa wee mewe isi ọchịchị. Enwere ihe ọzọ m chọrọ ekwu and m ekwu ya n'Igbo ka onye ọbụla nọ. Ịbụrụ onye Igbo, I will not tell you how to spend your money. I will not tell you gịnị ka ihe emenwu. Mana biko, for the sake of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, no nwere ihe mere achieve. Obu no so microphone came and they value you very well. Wela weda ani Igbo anyị. Wela wena wani Igbo. Just know ibinite iwela weda ani Igbo. So that ka amalukwa that na the end of the day no nwere ihe iwe na tamu. Because the way obodo si ada now, ka m gwunu nke bụ eziokwu. Onye Yoruba ya hapụ ihe dị ile onye Hausa na-egbu ya, he will choose to attack onye Igbo na nwere ihe o mere ya. Do you know why? Because ọ na-afụ gị as a threat. Ọ na-enwebulu gị anya ọkụ na kedu ka onye bịa na-abịa ya esi wee kia nweta ihe n'obodo ya. Ọ ya aka value onye bịara ịbịa gbu ya egbu na-egbu ụmụ nwanne ya. Ọ ya aka value ya then nabata onye ahụ then ngwa na nwere ihe ime ya ọ chọba ka o esi ememi na gị. Nwere ihe anụ nwanna ngwa gị ọ ya enyela mụ na gị na-abụ aka echi. Ọtago ka ọ dịkwanụ.